and you share something in common with Gia, who's a real person, which is you both that you both have a fascination with knives, or you had. She's passed away since then, but she was fascinated with knives. You're also fascinated with knives, is that right?
Yeah, I've collected weapons since I was a little girl, and my mom went. I went to the.
So when you were a little girl, you asked Santa for a grenade launcher.
I went to the Renaissance fair when I was a little girl, and there was all these kind of, you know, it's kind of, it reminds you of history, and it just, there's something beautiful about them and traditional, and just different countries have different weapons and blades, and there's just something beautiful about them to me. So
and you practice with these, I guess they're called butterfly knives, right? You like to practice with them, or sort of play around with them? We have one right here. Just, no, I was curious. I didn't even know, like, I don't even know how to use one of these things. What do you just show me what they do? These are, you collect butterfly knives, right?
Yeah, you, let's see. Just go like that.
And who do you do this to?
The chair.
Really? Oh.
Let's see. Just go like that.
And who do you do this to?
The chair.
Really? Oh.
Let's see. Just go like that.
And who do you do this to?
The chair.
Really? Oh, okay, all right. I get the...
Thank you.
See, you sort of make it look cool. I would just be like, eh. And then I'd just run away down